Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best granite bracket is probably one of the most crucial components for a seamless dishwasher installation, especially when dealing with granite countertops. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect mounting bracket, ensuring your dishwasher is securely fastened, and protecting your beautiful granite from any potential damage. Let's dive in and find the ideal solution for your kitchen. Number 5. Smart Choice Granite Countertop Dishwasher Kit. Tired of complicated installations? This kit simplifies the process. It's designed to make installing your dishwasher a breeze. This kit fits most dishwashers, making it a versatile choice. You can be sure that it will work with your appliance. The kit includes everything you need, 2 dishwasher brackets and all necessary hardware. It provides a complete solution for your installation needs. This kit is safe for granite, quartz, acrylic, and other solid surface countertops. You don't have to worry about damaging your beautiful countertops. Forget about glue, drills, and messy installations. This kit offers an easy, no-mess installation process. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. This kit offers a super easy installation process, saving you time and effort. It's designed to fit most dishwashers, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a hassle-free installation and broad compatibility, you should consider this one. What people say. After stripping the underside of caulk, and cleaning the granite with acetone, then alcohol, and waiting for it to dry, I affixed the original under cabinet brackets to the top of the dishwasher and used this kit per the instructions and voila problem solved. Easy to use for dishwasher install with granite countertops. Works exactly as advertised. Easy to install. Fits perfectly. Number 4. Frigidaire L30445880 Dishwasher Granite Installation Kit. This is a genuine Frigidaire part. It's designed specifically for your dishwasher. This kit ensures a proper and secure installation. This installation kit is made for granite countertops. It provides the necessary support and stability. It's the perfect solution for your kitchen. This is an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part. You can trust its quality and compatibility. It is designed to meet Frigidaire's high standards. This product is proudly made in the United States. You can be assured of its quality and durability. It's built to last. The kit comes in a sleek black color. It will blend seamlessly with your dishwasher. It adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. What we like. This is an original equipment manufacturer part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's made by Frigidaire, a trusted brand. If you have a Frigidaire dishwasher and want a guaranteed fit, you should consider this one. What people say. For use with stone and other solid tops if needed. These worked perfectly and allowed me to get it perfectly straight and not have to line up the dishwasher with the cabinets. They have been working fine for almost a year. Number 3. Impresa Whirlpool Dishwasher Bracket Replacement. Are you looking for a reliable replacement bracket for your dishwasher? This product is designed to fit a variety of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. This bracket is compatible with Whirlpool, Sears, Kenmore, and many other brands. It's designed to be a versatile solution for your dishwasher needs. Made from high-quality galvanized steel, this bracket is durable and built to last. It's a robust replacement for your original part. This is a 2-pack, providing excellent value. Each bracket measures approximately 3 inches long and 1 inch wide. Installation is quick and easy. If you have any questions about fitment, please contact us through our seller page. What we like. This bracket comes as a value pack, offering great savings. It's also designed for quick and easy installation. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution and a straightforward installation process, you should consider it. What people say. My originals were missing and these fit perfectly and now my dishwasher stays in place. Worked perfect for me. Got a dishwasher from a friend since he got a different one. Took about 2 minutes to install. Nice product. I use these brackets to secure an older, Frigidaire, dishwasher to my kitchen cabinets after installing granite countertops. Number 2. Dishwasher mounting brackets. Are you looking to install a new dishwasher? These brackets are designed to provide a secure and stable mounting solution. They ensure your appliance stays firmly in place. Made from high-quality materials, this product is built to last. It can withstand the rigors of daily use and the weight of your dishwasher. You can rely on them for years to come. Installation is quick and straightforward. The brackets come with all the necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have it set up in no time. These brackets are designed to fit most standard dishwashers. They offer a versatile solution for various brands and models. It's a convenient choice for any kitchen. With these brackets, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your dishwasher is securely mounted. They prevent unwanted movement and potential damage. It's a smart investment for your home. What we like. This is a simple and effective solution for mounting your dishwasher. It offers a universal fit, accommodating various dishwasher models. If you need a straightforward and adaptable mounting solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The brackets are well made and fit perfectly. The design is perfect for granite countertops. This product is exactly what I needed to mount my dishwasher. Number 1. USA Dishwasher Bracket for Granite, Quartz Countertop. This bracket is proudly made in the USA. It's constructed from durable 22-gauge galvanized steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Installation is a breeze, whether before or after your countertop is installed. You don't even need the dishwasher on-site during the process, it's that convenient. This bracket accommodates virtually any dishwasher, eliminating anchoring issues. It's designed to fit most standard 24-inch dishwashers, making it a versatile solution. It's designed for easy installation under any type of countertop. This bracket provides a secure and stable mounting solution for your dishwasher. It's compatible with many brands, including Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Maytag, and more. This bracket is a reliable choice for your dishwasher installation needs. The package includes all the necessary mounting screws. This ensures you have everything you need for a quick and easy setup. What we like. This bracket is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. It accommodates virtually any dishwasher, eliminating anchoring problems. If you like supporting American-made products and need a versatile bracket, you should consider it. What people say. It's solid and easy to install. Works exactly for the intended purpose. Simple but effective. With this device the problem is permanently solved. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.